Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore a simple but essential feature in Windows 11, which is enabling Airplane Mode. Airplane Mode helps you quickly disconnect all wireless communications on your PC. First, right-click on the Start icon on your taskbar. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. This will open the Windows Settings window. Next, in the Settings panel, click on Network and Internet. Then, within the Network and Internet section, you will see an option called Airplane Mode. Here, you will find a toggle switch that allows you to turn Airplane Mode on or off. Simply click on the switch to turn it on, and you will instantly disable all wireless connections on your computer. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.